saw them before, didn't you? Welcome aboard the world famous Jumbo Cruise. My name is Ryan. I'll be your skipper for the next 10 amazing days and 5 romantic nights. As I'm driving backwards, I'll look where I'm going to stop safety. Please keep your hands on feet and legs inside the boat. Remain seated at all times and supervise your children. Yes, folks, that was the rainforest. You just missed it. So, it's an exciting day for us here at the Jumbo Cruise. We are being visited by a VIP tour group. However, that group is yet to come back from their cruise earlier this morning. Yeah, one of our newest skippers took them out. They've yet to come back. So, as we head through the jungle, if you happen to see a lost skipper, not me, please let me know. We're looking for Skipper Felix, everybody. It's his first day, and at this rate, it'll probably be his last. But you know what? We'll figure that out momentarily. In the meantime, folks, the ancient Cambodian shrine was built by ancient Cambodian shriners. That's a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. They've been known to leap over 40 feet. Don't worry, we're only 30 feet away. He'll go right over our heads. Like most of my jokes. Anyway. Right up ahead here, folks, is the sacred Indian elephant bathing pool where you'll see many Indian elephants bathing sacredly in the pool. Take any pictures if you want, folks. They have their trunks on. Don't worry, I double-checked. Aren't they beautiful? And right there, folks, that is Bertha. She's been in that shower for quite some time. You can tell by her wrinkles. Those dirty folks, don't stay in the shower for too long or you will turn into an elephant. Almost happened to me once. Kidding, I don't shower. Anyway. Hey, there's Little Squirt. His daddy Big Squirt is usually around here somewhere. Oh, there he is. Okay, it's making me a little nervous right here. I don't know if he's going to let us through or not. Okay. Whew. Are they ready to be just fine here, folks? Nothing to worry about. Then again, maybe there is. Everybody in the back, get out. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. Just a little bit of dry humor. Not to worry, folks. I will never put you in any danger whatsoever. An explosion! Let's get closer. Let's see, we got baboons and gorillas. And taking over the good doctor's tramp. Oh my goodness. Well, they're never going to get that custard over here to let the lights on. We tell you folks, they're simply got bananas. I don't care if they call me yellow, I say we split. It's not an appealing situation to be a part of. Anyway. Hey, right ahead there, folks, that is Schweitzer Falls, named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Falls. We'll be going over that later. Oh yeah, folks, there's the Nile River, the longest river in the world, and if you don't believe me, then you are in Africa. What are you talking about? Over there on the left is the African Veldt, a rare and exotic creature. A sure telltale sign that we are deep in the heart of the African jungle. Ah yes, right up ahead, folks, is going to be the African Veldt, home to a wide array of wildlife, as you will see. Up on the hill there, you've got Gags. Down here, you got zebras, dudes. Hey, look, my favorite, the tall ones in the back. Trees. Anyway. You got a family of lions sitting down at a favorite meal. Zebra on the rock. Sharing the meal with pride as always. So folks, you ever hear the one about the skipper, the botanist, the artist, the entomologist, and the bird watcher? It's been a long one, but I think you'll get my point. In the end. Oh, there's Skipper Felix. And the VIP tour group. We're going to look at this right now because the longer we look over there, the more papers we have to fill out. I have to wonder though, since Skipper Felix is over there, what happened to the boat? Looks like I answered my own question. Alright folks, we are headed for a hippo habitat. Do not be alarmed if they try to charge the boat. We only take cash. Alright folks, I'm going to try and get us out of this as quick as I can. I wasn't fast enough. Don't worry, folks. I'll get away from the boat, okay? Cover your ears. There, you see, scared him stiff. You can tell by the blank stare, all right? I just saved your life. You're welcome. I don't know, folks. I've been told that my job seems so simple sometimes. Even a monkey can do it. But you know what? I'll believe that one when I see it. Alright, folks. To be fair, these are 8s. Now, you know, I'll never understand modern art. I really won't. I'll take a look on the left right here, folks. My favorite lovebirds of the jungle, they give each other butterflies. The one on the right is a net, and next to her, a magnifying glass. Anyway. Now, folks, for the moment you all waiting for, on the left, it is the amazing, beautiful, majestic, it is the 8th wonder of the world. It is a backside of water. Well, folks, head on the left. I want to point out something about this rock over here. It's actually very special rock. This is all limestone, but most people like to take it for granted. My sediments, exactly. Okay, I promise not to tell me more, but I gotta admit that joke was quite marvelous if I do say so myself. Oh! Got a school piranha, folks. Not to worry, there's one thing I know about piranha, they can't turn right, so we're gonna go right up ahead of you. And of course, no cruise complete without a stop. Actuator Sam's gift shop. It looks like they're out passing more items as we speak. I mean, can you believe that people leave this stuff out of strollers in the middle of walkways here? And now, folks, for the most part of the journey, give yourself a round of applause. It's just about the world famous Jungle Cruise. As we approach the dock, please keep your hands, arms, elbows, legs, feet, fingers, and toes inside the boat. You don't want to get caught between the boat and the dock. That would really, really hurt my beautiful boat. Also, please remain seated because only a crazy person stands up in the middle of a moving boat. Get out. I'm sorry, that was rude. Please get out. One side, please stand. Disembark to the rear of the boat.
You have an extra skin. Just gonna head over to your left side of the car.